AI is revolutionizing every industry from healthcare to finance. But what about coding? You are ready to witness how AI is reshaping the future of every quarter in day to day life. In this video, I'm going to talk about 7 AI tools that definitely make you faster, harder, and even better coder by making you understand different concepts. So let's have a look at it briefly. Number 1 is Amazon Code Whisperer. Many of the students don't know about this tool. It's a versatile code generator, and as you compose the code, Code Whisperer instantly provides solution derived from your existing code. The recommendations are generated by integrating large language model trained on the vast data set encompassing billions lines of codes that inclusive of both Amazon and open source code. So currently its base model is free and its pro version is available at the course. The number 2 is new on the chart is definitely a new tool that most of the developers don't know. It is Autogpt. It's a generative AI tool for developers providing data by using GPT and analyzing your context. Trust me, if you are writing a code, it will definitely give you a suggestions. Like when you are writing a code, it will understand your whole repository and will give you a suggestion. It will definitely elevate your coding speed and minimize your errors in your code. Its base version is absolutely free and its pro version is on the course. The third one in the list is GitHub CoPilot. Trust me, this tool is a game changer because many senior developers are using this tool and many companies have given access to their employees so that their developers can code fastly and efficiently. It is a technology that is built by Microsoft. It provides suggestions based on your current and previous coding standards. The Copilot is not free, but trust, it is surprising, it is very affordable, and the pricing is at the list. The fourth one in the list is TabN. It is a code completion assistant driven by artificial intelligence designed to enhance efficiency and quality of software development. It supports multiple programming languages, so you can use it with many languages development. TabN offers intelligent code suggestions and prominent integrated development items too. So currently its base version is free and pro version is available. Next, the number 5 is Google Bot. Google Bot is really a game changer in game of development. It helps in optimizing the code which they generate in more efficient manner. So this tool is definitely useful for every web developer out there because it improvises the performance, and as it is a Google product, it knows everything about Google Slide, Google Sheet and Google Docs. So currently its base version is definitely free, but the pro version and ultra pro version are out there. Number 6 is CodeWP. CodeWP is an AI generated tool for every developer and is a PA powered WordPress code generator to build a website development with increased efficiency. It is tailored for WordPress as well as e-commerce, jQuery, PHP, JS and other prevalent plugins. With this, user can effortlessly create websites with just simple prompts and assistance. This eliminates the reliance on costly developers and time-consuming search on the plate. This version is free and its pro version is available at Discord. Number 7 is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is on the top of the charts of AI generative tools for developers as it provides support snippets to the programs and the developers. They can generate code, text, data with easy explanation and can do it effortlessly. So currently ChatGPT is absolutely free, but the paid version is available. So these generative AI tools is playing a massive role in saving time of developers and help them code efficiently. I suggest you all developers to use all of these AI tools and find how good it is. Also do let me know which AI tools are you using right now and your opinion based on that. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.